Bonjour et bienvenue à Learn French with Amandeep. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn French with Amandeep. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les animaux au français, that is, animals in French. So let's start. Une vache. Une vache, which means a cow. Une vache. Next, a chat. A chat. A chat, which means a cat. Next, a nan. A nan. A nan, which means a donkey. Next, a chien. A chien. A chien, which means a dog. Next, a lapin. A lapin. A lapin, which means a rabbit. Next, a cheval. A cheval. A cheval, which means a horse. Easy, na? Let's revise it again. Une vache. Une vache, which means a cow. A chat. A chat, which means a cat. A nan. A nan, which means a donkey. A chien. A chien, which means a dog. A lapin. A lapin, which means a rabbit. Next, a cheval, which means a horse. Easy, na? That's all for today. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Merci, au revoir et à bientôt.